Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7832. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.